Welcome to the RAD Torque Systems safety video. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our RAD Torque tool with a reaction arm. In this demonstration, you will see our RAD pneumatic torque wrench, our ERAD blue torque wrench, and our BRAD X torque wrench. Because your safety is important to us, we want to make sure you understand potential dangers associated with using a reaction arm. Before we begin, you'll need to know some basic terms. Reaction arm. Your RAD Torque wrench comes with a standard reaction arm that is designed to fit most bolting applications. However, in some unique cases, you may need a custom reaction arm. The reaction arm transfers the force from the tool to a static reaction point, almost eliminating the force on the user. This is what is called the action of reaction. Reaction point. This is the specific area where the reaction force is generated between the tightened fastener and the adjacent surface. The proper location for a reaction point is the middle of the arm. Reacting on the edge of the heel or toe of the reaction arm can cause you to react out of plane with the reaction point and causes extra stress on the torque wrench and can lead to premature failure. Pinch point. Any area where there is the possibility of an object or body part getting caught between the reaction arm and the reaction point, or between any point of the RAD tool and a nearby surface. Retaining ring. Your tool also comes with a retaining ring, which is used to secure the reaction arm to the RAD tool. The retaining ring comes installed and must be removed first to install the reaction arm. Serpentine or spline is the area near the end of the RAD tool where the reaction arm is installed. Here's how to use a reaction arm with a RAD Torque wrench. 1. First, ensure the serpentine of the reaction arm and the gearbox surfaces are clean and free of obstruction. 2. Install the reaction arm by sliding it onto the gearbox serpentine until it's fully secure. 3. The reaction arm should be extended towards the socket. Installing it backwards may place the extensions too close to your hands and can result in injury. 4. With the reaction arm firmly in place, secure it to the gearbox with a supplied retaining ring. 5. Place the appropriate socket on the square drive. 6. Install the socket locking pin and set the O-ring to keep it in place. You are now ready to start using the RAD Torque wrench with the reaction arm. Here are some basic guidelines to assess safe operation for your application. Make sure the reaction arm provided is correct and for your application. Make sure the reaction arm is even with the end of the socket. Make sure the foot of the reaction arm aligns with the reaction point. Make sure the torque wrench is in line with the fastener, otherwise you will create a pinch point when you start applying torque. Please note, all RAD Torque tools must have valid calibration before use. Hand injuries can happen if you place your hand near the reaction arm, the reaction point, or the gearbox when in use. To prevent injury, keep hands clear from the reaction arm, the reaction point, and the gearbox. To be clear, never place your hands here, or here. By understanding where not to place your hands while operating the torque wrench with the reaction arm, you can prevent injury. RAD Torque Systems makes reaction arms in many shapes and sizes. With the right reaction arm, every torque application can be safe for you. If you are unsure if the reaction arm is correct for your application, please contact RAD Torque Systems or your local distributor. Modifying a RAD Torque wrench, its reaction arms, or its accessories can create a dangerous working situation. Altering the materials or mechanisms can defeat the safety standards built into our product and will void the warranty. Modifying any other reaction arm without the prior approval of RAD Torque Systems will invalidate the RAD tool and reaction arm warranty. It may also greatly increase the likelihood of injury to personnel and property. Under no circumstance may you modify a RAD Torque tool or any of its accessories without our written authorization. Your new RAD Torque wrench is shipped fully calibrated. Calibration and recalibration of your RAD Torque wrench are very important for proper operation. Calibrating it properly will reduce operator risk and will ensure the specific accuracy. Thank you for watching our safety video. We hope you enjoy your new tool.